Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 07384813882, and today we have a 2006 BK Mazda 3 Neo sedan, stock reference number 4603. This shape runs from the 7th month 2006 through to the 4th month 2009. It has an LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the rear end. We have the right-hand headlight, radiator grille, left-hand headlight, front bar is pretty tidy, left-hand guard has one small dent, bonnet appears to have no damage, left power door mirror. This vehicle is fitted with 15-inch steel rims, the left front has a good tyre, left front door has one small dent, left rear door appears to have no damage, left rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the right-hand boot lid garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage, right front door has one small dent, right guard appears to have no damage, right power door mirror, and a right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. It's got a grey vinyl centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, 6-stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.